Hey, Patrick here. I have two quick important questions for you. Question number one, do you know what's the number one most powerful marketing strategy to get leads and automated sales to make money online, regardless of what you are selling or what you want to sell in the future? The answer is sales funnel. In fact, you can even use a sales funnel to make money online without having your own product. Just build an affiliate sales funnel instead. Question number two, what is the hottest trend right now? Yes, you got the answer right. It is AI. This is true not just for the consumer market, but also for businesses. According to a Forbes survey, most of our average users have already started using ChatGPT to get answers instead of Google. And for business, well, National University published a study showing that 97% of business owners think using ChatGPT will help their business. And here's the final question. What is the best way to make money online now? By combining the number one marketing strategy and the number one hottest trend. Recently, I did a live full day workshop to teach a small group of clients. It is called the AI App Funnel Workshop. In this brand new training, I reveal a strategy for doubling your income by just changing one funnel approach. This will increase not only your income, but also double the size of your customer list. And by doubling your customer list, in the next 6 months, your business will grow insanely profitable. At the same time, if you are a beginner, this works too. Because you want this strategy now, use the newest way to earn since it's easier to do it and will make you even more money. The bad news is, it's too late for you to attend the live workshop, but the good news is, you can still get the recordings today. If you want to take a peek of it, you can continue watching this video and after that, get the full access as quickly as possible. It is just a matter of time before this newfound method is exposed and everyone will start to use it. However, when you act now, you have the first mover advantage to make it big first. Hey everyone, this is Patric Chan here. Welcome to today's workshop, the AI App Funnel. Give a round of applause to yourself for being here on time. Alright, I'm pretty excited to see everybody here because what I'm going to share with you today, it is something new, a new discovery, a new strategy that we have started using for our company. Now, before we get into what this is all about, I need to emphasize that AI is the biggest discovery that I've ever had in my, I would say, 20 years or 2 decades of my so-called career of this business. Being an expert, being a best-selling author, being an international speaker, being a pioneer in this industry and so on. This is like the biggest breakthrough ever. Right now, I don't just come out from woodwork and start teaching about how to make money online and how to become an internet millionaire and all that stuff. I've been doing this for a while, and my testimonials range from some of the top tier internet marketing experts, gurus in this industry, to ordinary people. And many, those who have able to quit their job, become millionaires, start their own business and all that cool stuff. Now, I'm bringing this because I want to stress the point about AI. You see, whatever I've done in the past was prior to the AI phenomenon or the AI revolution. In 2023, I started to learn about AI, but behind the scene. In fact, if you have somehow followed me, I took a 3 months break Not too sure whether you've seen my Facebook posts and all this kind of stuff. That I say that I will not be promoting anything, I will not be creating anything, I just take a 3 months break and that's about it. And you receive zero promotion whatsoever from me because I was learning. I was learning new things. And one of the things that I was learning, observing was none other than AI. So what I take pride in my training is that I am always evolving with the trend and the strategies and so on. I don't teach the same stuff that I teach 10 years ago, right? So what do I mean by this is totally different? This year, in 2024, I will be restructuring my entire business to the degree whatever I've created in the past years needs to just throw off, put inside a trash can and delete off. It's no longer applicable anymore. What do I mean by that? So in the past, I need to create courses, right, to teach you something. So, example, let's say Classic 101. I teach you how to write a book, right? So now I need to teach you how to find your niche market. I need to teach you the content you should have in a book. True or not? I need to teach you all of that. That is prior AI world. If I was to do that, that would be really silly, right? You know why? Because AI could have decided what's the topic for you. AI could have come out with all the presentations. I don't need to teach you how to do presentations anymore. Do you start to see how paradigm shift is? I'm not too sure whether you understand what I mean. I'm not too sure what other experts and gurus figure this out or not. I'm not too sure whether they have this vision. Whatever that they are doing is no longer practical because the game has completely changed. Yes, the value comes in coaching, live events and so on, because that is something that cannot be replaced by AI. Are you doing things that cannot be replaced by AI? Or are you still doing those courses where your customers don't even want to watch courses anymore because they don't need to learn how to do it? They can use AI to do it. For instance, right? If I have a course about how to do designing, why would you ever want to go through that course? You press a few buttons, mid-journey comes out the design for you. True or not? Do you start to see where I'm coming from? Because all these hours of training could be just compressed into 5 minutes. That is how revolutionary AI is going to be. Right? So the game entirely changed. Now, when I understand that, I will need to restructure my business completely, right? Because like I said, it's a game changer. And all my students will also need to restructure how they build business. So the first step, right, is I think one of the many things that can be done. The first step is to change the funnel itself. Because funnel, it's one of the most powerful marketing strategy to get sales. By no argument, funnel is the way to sell online, okay? So how do we apply the concept of AI into this? Now, you could easily say, go to Google and search for how to build a sales funnel by using AI. I'm pretty sure there's some courses, there's some software doing all of it. I'm not teaching all of those. Those are all tactical stuff. What I want to teach you is the strategy of using AI in a very different way. I hope you have enjoyed the teaser video. Now, let's get you started. I have more good news for you. There's a discount coupon for you on this webpage to help you save money. I think you'll love it. However, the discount coupon code is only available for a limited time. I would encourage you to take full advantage of it now. Go through the webpage and check out today then.